Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video, I am going to explain how to make a pocket program, rectangular pocket program on a CAM software. Okay, so this is a CAM software and we have just how we have to create a program. This is a rectangular pocket. Say size of the pocket is 50 by 25. The size of the pocket. And this I have this boundary. It is the material size of the material, and this size of the pocket. Okay, so how to draw it? First of all, what we have to do is just create rectangle. 1 point size is given here, 50 is the width, height is 25. Say okay. This is rectangle, and if I this place it on the 0, x0 y0, this is x0 y0, so this rectangle will be drawn like this. So first we have to draw a rectangle. Okay, then next step is we have to define this what I have to define is you go to the toolpath and just job setup. Job setup means this is material size. So here the material size I have defined 50 by 80. In x axis it is 80 mm, y axis it is 50 mm, and z is the thickness of the material, it is 20 mm, and origin stock means this material, origin of the material is x0 y0 z0. This is the origin, and you have to select this display stock. Okay, if you define these things, then this stock is defined like that. This is your stock size. This is a height is 50 and width is 80, 50 by 80. Okay, so now what I have to do is you just we have to create a program now. Okay, by after drawing this rectangle, now I have to create a program. You just go to the toolpath, then pocket, and now you have to define the size of the pocket. Okay, so chain, I have to just select it. It is selected now. This rectangle is selected. Okay, done. Then what I have to define is now I have to define 2-3 things on this table. This is tool parameter, pocket parameter, and roughing oblique finishing parameters. Okay. Now what are tool parameter? Tool parameter is die of the tool is given here. This diameter it is end mill of 5 mm dia. This is tool number 1, head number. This is dia offset and length offset. Offset numbers 1 1. Okay. And this is name of the tool is 5 mm flat. Feed rate it is 200 mm per minute. Plunge rate is 50. Retract rate is 500. Here it is program number. You can define any program number 0, or say if I say this program is 1111 anything. Okay. This is sequence start, means sequence number of the program, NC data, sequence number N1, N2, N3 like that. So this is sequence increment 2. So sequence start means 100, then 102, 104, 106 like that. There will be sequence numbers. Okay. Now corner radius means it is corner radius, that means this is flat end mill, because it is a flat end mill, so corner radius will be 0. Spindle speed RPM 2000 RPM, and this is coolant on. So, and tool, we have to display the tool, and this is a top plane, construction plane. Okay, so these are the tool parameters we have defined. Next is pocketing parameter. What are the pocketing parameter? This is a pocket, this is a pocket, this is your pocket, and this is depth of the pocket. Say depth, if I say depth is say -5, say -5 depth, and depth cuts, if I say depth cuts maximum 2 mm, okay, depth cut, and this is your retract plane at 50 mm, sorry, at height, yes, 50 mm height, retract plane, feed plane, uh, then it is top of the stock 0. Top of the stock means this is material, top of the material stock, it is 0 mm here, and this is feed plane where this tool will come into the feed, and first it will come in the rapid up to this height, and then it will come into the feed. This blue line is for feed rate, okay, and it is for retract rate, yellow line, okay. So these are the pocketing parameters. And machining direction, climb or conventional, that you have to define. The tip compensation, tip, okay, then XY stock to leave. If you want to leave any stock in the X direction or Y direction, you can define it. If you want to leave stock in Z, that also you can define. But if you don't want to leave any stock, you want to just finish this pocket, then it is 0, 0. So these are the parameters. These are the pocketing parameters. Okay. Then is roughing oblique finishing parameters. These are the method, roughing method, zigzag, it may be constant overlap. I have defined parallel spiral. So parallel tool will come, parallel spiral like that. It will cut from the outside to the inward direction like this, and step over percentage is 60%. So that means this tool diameter is 5, tool diameter 5, so 60% will be 3 mm. Step over distance will be 3 mm. After every step, it will come closer by 3 mm at every step, like that. So if any helix entry, if you want to define, you can define, but we are not defining right now. So this is a finish cut. One is finish cut, finish pass spacing is 0.25. So these are the parameter, roughing and finishing parameter. This is your pocketing parameter, and this is tool parameter. You have to define this parameter, feed rate, plunge rate, retract rate, all these parameters you have to define. So okay, so now uh, if I go to this operations, so this pocket, standard pocket, it is defined. These are the parameter we can see here. What are the parameter? If you want to change, you can change it from here also. So this is, if you go to the parameters, this is given here, all the parameters, and then pocketing parameter, depth is -5, depth cuts are 2 mm, like that, okay. So this is roughing and finishing parameter. This all we have defined, okay. So now this is your operation manager in the CAM software. In operation manager, one operation is defined, and that is pocket, standard pocket. So pocket with the this M5 means end mill, flat end mill with 5 mm. You have created a pocket program. So now this program, if you want to change any parameter, then you have to regenerate this path. Okay. In backplot, verify, post, all these things are there. So just I want to verify this. Just you verify. Okay. If I verify, then this is your material size is defined, and you just verify it, just simulate it. So it is a pocket, and every 3 mm it is coming closer, and this one cut it has taken. Now it will take second cut. Now it is 4 mm deep in the second cut. and now again it will take a third cut. So in the third cut it will be 5 mm deep, like that. So three cuts are there. Now it will take a finish cut. It will take a finish cut like this. This is your finish cut. Okay, this is a finish cut. So this way you can verify it. We have verified it. Okay, now after verification everything is okay. You just post this. If you post, then Fanuc post processor is there. Any post processor may be. After posting, an NC file will be created. Okay, so that NC file we have created, I can see that program data. How to see it? File, edit, NC. I have created this pocket one, this program, and just you open this file. Okay, so this is here created. This is your program number 0000. The program name is pocket one. This is your date of creating the program, time, and then this is your end mill, flat end mill is given, and all this is given here. This is Z10, this is feed plane, like that. This is your depth is given, Z minus 1.66 first depth, and it has created this pocket program, and uh, it has created this is your X size minus 22.25, then it is in Y direction 9.75, then because it is leaving this material 0.25 for finish cut, and this is your Y6, and then X minus 14 point this. If you see here, all the cuts are there, and if you see, this is your program. At the end M30 program close. So this all it is given here, all the cuts are given here. This is final cut was Z minus 5 mm, like that. So if you see, this program is created here. So this way you can create a pocket program on CAM software. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's clear to you how to create a program on a CAM software. First we have to create a drawing. Just draw one rectangle, and then you have to go to the parameters, and if you go to this tool path, you will get operation chart will be there. This is your one operation. If you want to create any other operation like drilling or anything, that will also come on it, on this operation manager. So this way you can create other programs also, and you can verify a single program, and if there are 2 3 4 program, all you can verify here. And if you just want to backplot it, just backplot, and you just step by step like this. This blue line is there, like this. This is a backplot, and you can verify also. This is just by line diagram backplot, and if you go to the isometric view like this, and you just fit it like this, and then step by step, if you want to see it, this is your backplot like this. So I think it's clear to you. Okay, so this way you can create this pocket program. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video soon.